If you've been following the AI music space recently, you know that the technology is moving fast. We've gone from blurry, low-quality loops to full-blown song production in just a few months. But there are still two massive bottlenecks for us creators. One is copyright, actually owning what you generate so you can monetize it. And the second is accessibility, being tied to a desktop when inspiration strikes. Today I'm stress testing a tool called Insmelo, and it claims to solve both. It's a comprehensive AI music generator that handles lyrics, text, and images to audio. And a huge detail they've added recently, this is a full ecosystem. I'm going to show you this on my PC today for the recording quality, but Insmelo is fully available on Android and iOS tablets and phones. So you can literally start a project on your desktop and finish generating it on your phone while you're on the bus. I've dropped the link to it right at the top of the description and pinned it in the comments. Open that up, because we are going to push this engine to see what it can really do. All right, let's get into the dashboard. If you've been subscribed to the channel for a while, you know we've covered almost every AI music generator that hits the market. So in comparison to typical music generators, you'll appreciate how clean this UI is. It's not cluttered. On the left sidebar, we have the core toolkit: lyrics to song, text to song, image to music, and the lyrics generator. We're going to start with the first feature, lyrics to song. This is for the songwriters and producers watching who want control over the structure. Now, for this test, I want to see how well the AI handles energy transitions. Can it differentiate between a quiet verse and a loud chorus? I'm going to paste in some lyrics I wrote about breaking out of a mundane 9-to-5 job. Notice that I have explicitly used the verse and chorus tags. This is a critical pro tip for Insmelo. Do not skip this. These tags act as instructions for the model to change the melody and dynamic intensity. For the model, we are sticking with v5.0. This is their highest fidelity model currently, and it supports generating tracks up to 8 minutes in duration. I'll name this track The Breakout. For the style, let's try something punchy. I'm going to type modern pop punk, high energy, male vocals, fast tempo. Let's hit generate. It usually processes in just a few seconds. Here we go. Let's listen to the transition specifically.
Clock on the wall is ticking slow. Fluorescent lights are humming low. I'm typing words that don't mean a thing, waiting for the freedom that the weekend brings. I'm breaking out, I'm cutting the wire, setting this whole routine on fire. Don't look back, just hit the gas, watching the city fade into the past. Coffee stains on a paper stack. There ain't no way
Okay, catching that transition. The moment the chorus hit, the drums opened up and the guitars got wider. That is exactly what we want. It respected the structure tags perfectly, and the vocal clarity on v5.0 is actually very impressive. Very little robotic artifacting. I felt like the song ended a bit abruptly. Hopefully, we will have an extend feature soon to create perfect outros as well. Oh, and if you don't have written lyrics with you, you can click this button called AI Lyrics, which instantly gives you a set of lyrics that are perfect for quick testing. It literally takes less than a second. Now, let's look at the second major use case. Maybe you aren't writing a song, maybe you run a gaming channel, or you are editing a documentary, and you need background music that doesn't sound like generic stock audio. We're going to the sidebar for text to song. This engine is designed for the atmosphere. I want to test the orchestral capabilities here. AI usually struggles with realistic strings, so let's see. In the prompt box, I'm typing epic cinematic, movie trailer intro, orchestral buildup, war drums, heroic and dramatic. Since this is for a video background, I'm going to toggle pure instrumental to on. We don't want any vocals here. Let's generate. That is crazy good. Very cinematic, and it brings me the vibes of epic war movie soundtracks. The separation between the percussion and the strings is clean, and it has an uplifting motivational energy in it. And remember, because you generated this, it's unique. You won't get a copyright claim for using this in your monetizable content, which is one of the main highlights of the Insmelo subscription. Moving on to the third feature, and this is where Insmelo actually pulls ahead of some of the bigger competitors. Image to music. A lot of people think this is just a gimmick, but if you are a visual artist or a filmmaker or just a content creator on YouTube, this is a massive workflow hack. You can upload a still frame from your video to get music that matches the color palette and mood. I'm going to upload an image here. I've got this picture of a futuristic neon city with a cyberpunk car. It's very purple and blue, high contrast. I'm curious if the AI picks up on the cyberpunk vibe without me typing it. We don't have to type in anything. Insmelo lets the image drive the prompt. This time I'm interested in vocals, so we'll keep the instrumental toggle off, hit create. And there it is. It immediately went for that synthwave or industrial funk sound. Heavy bass, electronic textures. It analyzed the neon and tech elements of the image and translated that into audio frequencies. That is smart. Finally, I want to show you the workflow for when you have absolutely zero ideas. The lyrics generator. This isn't just a chatbot, it's formatted for song structures. In the beginner mode, instead of asking you for instructions, Insmelo guides you towards finding the idea you have in mind. For tone and style, let's go with melancholic and whimsical and nostalgic. Click next. Complexity. Let's go medium. For the topic, I'm going to type the first human colony on Mars. It is not a mandatory step, but it lets AI understand the scene and set it up. And for the narrative, looking back at Earth as a small blue dot, feeling lonely but hopeful. Red dust everywhere. Let's click Generate Lyrics. Look at that speed. It gave us 2 verses, a chorus, a bridge, and an outro. And the rhyme scheme isn't basic. It's actually using some decent imagery about the red dust and silence. From here, the workflow is seamless. You would just copy this, go back to the lyrics to song tool we used at the start, and generate a sci-fi ballad. It connects the whole creative process. And if you didn't like the generated lyrics or change anything about it, you can just click the Generate Again button here and regenerate. And in the Pro mode, all the steps are combined into one page. You can type the story, select the style, and choose complexity all in one window to generate the lyrics. So, my verdict, if you are looking for an AI tool that balances ease of use with professional utility, Insmelo is a good contender. The fact that it is royalty-free makes it a safe bet for creators. And the cross-platform availability means you aren't tied to your desk. I'd recommend you go try the lyrics to song feature first. That's where I had the most fun. The link is right there in the first line of the description in the pinned comment. If you enjoy these deep dives into AI music tools, make sure you're subscribed to the channel. I'm testing new engines every single week, so you don't have to guess which ones are worth your time. Thanks for watching, and go make some noise.